Hey guys, welcome back to Everything Automotive. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back again. So today I'm going to be doing a review of Meguiar'S all-wheel cleaner versus Hot Rim's wheel and tyre cleaner by Meguiar'S as well. You can see by the state of my company car tyres, or my company car wheels, that they're really quite dirty. So we'll pit one against the other and see one works better. Quick spoiler for you. This one works far better than that one. So first things first, obviously you can tell I'm wearing a pair of latex gloves. This stuff in particular isn't the best for your fingers. If you actually use it without gloves on, you'll feel your fingers get really slimy. I think it's because of the degreasers that they use inside it, and this one's just really good. So we'll go the dirtier wheel with the all-wheel cleaner, and then very quickly run over to the other wheel and we'll use that one with that. The wheel's not too bad. Inside the barrels are quite dirty, so it'll give you a chance to see it working. So back to the front. Back to the front. So basically this cleaner says that you spray it straight onto the wheel with the wheel dry, and then leave it for 2 to 4 minutes to settle in and do what it does. So give it a quick shake, and then basically all you're doing is you're just coating the wheel in it. Keep it about 6 to 8 inches away, something like that. And like I say, you are using quite a lot of it. Get right in the back of the wheel wells, right in there, right up in there. And you can see what it's actually doing already. If you see, it's turning the brake pads purple, which is essentially what it's going to do to the entire wheel over the next 2 to 4 minutes. So we'll very quickly move on to the other wheel. And this stuff you just, oh in fact I've got to wet this wheel first. 2 seconds. Right, back again, forgot to wet the wheel. So basically just squishing this stuff, cover this stuff all over the wheel as well. Try not to breathe this stuff in if you can. It is not the best for your health. Usually what I do is just get a dirtier sponge with a little bit of shampoo on it, and then you're basically just going to town on it straight away. Don't let this stuff sit. This cleaner is also only for standard alloy wheels. I wouldn't recommend using it on powder coated wheels, spray painted wheels, anything like that. So we'll very quickly fast forward through this till I'm finished. And then essentially what you're doing is you're just hosing it off. But we'll have a look at this wheel while we're here. And you can see that stuff working pretty well so far. Right, that's that wheel done. Did not too bad a job, to be fair. Definitely not as good as the other stuff, but I missed a bit. Yeah, now we're back to this wheel again, and you can see how wonderfully coloured it is. Now, the instructions for this on the back of the bottle, it does say that you can actually just, if you had a power washer, you could just spray it off now, or sorry, hose it off. But again, I still like to give it a scrub with a sponge just to get rid of any of the really stuck on stuff. So I'll very quickly fast forward this one as well, and you can see the result of this when it's done. Just very quickly, halfway through this, I apologise in advance for the fact that I forgot to bring my tripod with me today, so I'm holding the camera with one hand and using the sponge with the other. So this is probably going to look really shaky, so I apologise in advance. So yeah, that stuff really is good. So one of the reasons why, I mean, I know, so if you compare this with this, so this one changes colour, looks really cool. That one doesn't. You need to leave that one for, don't leave that one at all. That one you can leave 2 to 4 minutes to let it work. It's magic. The main reason why I prefer this one over this, or the reason why I prefer the all wheels cleaner to the wheel and tyre cleaner is this is really it's a lot more aggressive than this, right? So using this one, even on standard alloys like these, I wouldn't use that all the time. That's more for if your alloy is really dirty. I find this one really good if your wheels have ever gone like a yellowy brown colour because you've left the brake dust on for far too long. This is the one to use with a toothbrush, and it'll bring it up amazingly well. This one, if you clean your car every week like I do, this is the way to go, purely because this stuff is nowhere near as aggressive in its clean as this one. So you can use this over and over and over, week in, week out. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not cheap. I think it's about 14 or 15 pounds a bottle. And you can maybe get 2 to 3 cleans, you know, for all 4 tyres, all four wheels with this one. But definitely this one. Like I say, look how shiny that is. And that was literally 3 to 4 minutes work, and look how clean it is again. So yeah, if there's anything you guys want to see me review for you, just let me know what it is in the comments section, and I'll be sure to try and pick it up, especially if it's something I can pick up locally. And I'll try it out in my cars. I'm always game to try new things, always willing to learn new techniques and things, so any comments would be greatly appreciated. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, I know I've only got 40 subscribers or whatever it is so far, but if you want to subscribe to the channel, it help me immensely. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, so I can have a custom URL. So anyway guys, that's me away. Cheers.